Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa % ka jinyokam. Philla ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Condemn terrorism. Yeah, we condemn
terrorism.
We condemn
Terrorism.
Down,
Terrorism.
down,
Terrorism.
We condemn
Terrorism.
We condemn
Terrorism.
We condemn
Terrorism.
Kala Sawa jam ka sur Sdien Phasi. Ha Phyllaw jo ka Ophis ka BJP hanong ba Shillong. Ha ka ba kinong yalam bat ki dekhot ka BJP kilai lom hangni ban penrem ya ka ka balaja ha pahalgam. Jammu and Kashmir hak ba kile no kila sanrai kuli na phang ye ginong jong kai prathe kibra lekai sakate ke jaka jong kai ka ba itanat ki khot ke BJP kila pratapan ram ye ki kampentriam jong kile no bat ki dawa ba ki de benyo ye jingsha pinstom unong yalam ke BJP wa HM khar krang ulo ong ba sarkar India kan le ye badan kam bat kan a ye ke bishar hok
Ya ginong le pamon David Phasi Ya ginong le pamon David Phasi
टेररिस्ट तुम्हारा खैर नहीं
नहीं
टेररिस्ट तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ेंगे टेररिस्ट तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ेंगे
We are protest against the terrorism. We don't want any terrorism to happen in our country, in our nations. No, we want the peace in the world, we want the peace in Bangladesh, we want the peace everywhere. We don't condemn anybody, but we want the peace and the human being relationship to all the people.
Kashmir has become normal for quite a long time now. And our Prime Minister has put all out efforts that Kashmir should be brought back to normal, especially after the abrogation of 370. Normalcy was there, tourism is thriving. But these people, these terrorists, and I guess they have come from across the border, they don't want Kashmir to develop. So they are all out to destroy Kashmir, and we have full faith in our Prime Minister and his government that will bring these people, these terrorists, these murderers, they'll bring them to justice. And justice will be brought to them, and they will be brought to justice here in India, in our own soil.